I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. The walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits to flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. No horizons waiting for us. We can't wait one day to go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my past to build my future. Keep moving forward, go beyond what they thought possible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. The walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits to flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust and go beyond. Expectations and dreams to be stronger, to push harder than the fire. It's a time for change. We're standing on the edge of greater. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, with every step we take. We'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. No horizons waiting for us. We can't wait one day to go beyond, to go beyond.